One of the biggest problems do-it-yourselfers are going to face, and even people who haven't built a lot of stairs, will be to deal with the imperfections in the floor, if there are any, the connection at the top for the stair stringers, and the biggest problem of all is going to be whether or not all of the stair stringers were cut exactly the same. And the best way to figure that out will be to grab a straight edge, usually a level, and place it on top of the stair stringers like we have here. And if there aren't any gaps at all in between the straight edge and the stair stringers, then you have created a nice straight step. And this is ideally what you're shooting for when building a set of stairs. So check everything you possibly can to verify, especially the steps, to build the perfect stairway. So we're going to check in 5 locations: the back, the front, the middle, and the risers can be checked at the top and the bottom. And you can check them also at the middle if you feel like you need to. And again, we're going to be looking for any gaps at all between the stringer and the straight edge. And of course, one of those gaps might look something like this, and you could simply add a filler shim to fix something like this. And you could simply add a shim there to fix something like this. And I think anything around 1/8 of an inch or less, you can probably leave alone. And quite possibly on a riser, even 1/4 of an inch might be okay, depending upon how much of a perfectionist you are. However, 1/4 of an inch for the steps is going to be too much, and you're going to feel it when you use the stairs. And again, I think 1/8 of an inch might be okay for something like this, but I'm going to leave it up to you, because most of the stairs I built, I could check this with a level and within a few minutes fix most of the imperfections, because they were usually going to be in the floor or at the top of the stairway where the stringers connect to the upper floor. And if that was the case, I could usually drive some wedges or shims underneath the stringer that was a little low to make the adjustments that I needed. And if you need a little more information on this, let us know in the comment area, and I'll make another video on most of the problems I dealt with when dealing with situations like this.